You ready for Cars and Coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah. Halloween?
Yeah.
Yee! Hey, oh yeah. I hear him. All right, guys. We had to go to the potty real quick because never trust a fart.
Really don't. Please don't trust a fart.
All right. Now we're on our way. Let's go.
It was a squeaky one. Oh, it has a hooligan sticker.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
Q Tracks.
Was that so fun, Mila? Which one was your favorite car?
The creepy one.
What's your favorite candy?
Chocolate.
Yeah, good answers.
Yeah, and M&M's.
Yum. Well, that was a decent turnout. Even though how y'all gonna fight over candy on camera? Well, that was a good turnout. Yeah, it's kinda. I don't know. There was no JDMs.
I mean, there were like
One R33.
Corvettes.
The new Corvette was sick.
You ate all my
There was a Dodge
candy.
Challenger.
I forgot how to do an outro.
There was a Dodge Challenger so loud that it made my ears bleed. Twice. I got some drippy bags too.
Yeah, what are they about?
They're basically the same as this ball, which is deflating.
Let me see.
I got used cars. This bag. This one too.
Shout out to offleaseonly.com for the drip.
Free bags, by the way.
What are you eating? Oh, that's breakfast. Breakfast sausage. You silly.
Oh yeah. One of you humanoids figured this out. Get some pixie sticks and put them in water. Tell me if it tastes good in the comments.
Sounds illegal. Are you being silly for the camera? Well, that was a fun turnout. That was cool. We got candies. I got candies. Where's my candy bag? There's my candy bag. And there's my other candy bag over there. Danny's holding it for me. The boy making a mess of that. That boy making a mess on the camera.
Excuse me.
How do you spill? How do you spill pixie sticks?
I don't know. I'm just gonna step out of the car and clean myself off.
Yeah, don't get a mess in my truck. I got the GTR hat since I don't have the GTR. Look at it, boy. Look at it, boy. Somebody look at this. Somebody look at it, boy. Look at it, boy. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave some good vibes down in the comment. Thank you so much for watching. Your boy is back. I'm gonna make some more videos for you guys. I know you guys missed me like I missed you. Peace out.
Peace, love the outro.